Hello and welcome back. So today there'll be two videos. We've got this video which I'm really excited to make, but then also the usual what day is it today? It's gonna be Thursday? Is it Tuesday today? Wednesday? Monday. It's definitely gone Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's gonna be Thursday. I completely lost track of the days. It is quite late that I'm recording this. So there'll be the usual upload at 6 o'clock. It'll be the PO box opening, so I hope you enjoy it. But this I ordered on Tuesday and it arrived today, which is Wednesday. So just a massive thank you to the Royal Mint for what is probably the most seamless coin release that I've ever had to be a part of. So purchasing this was a breeze. I logged on at 9 o'clock. I bought it. Bish bash bosh. No waiting in the queue for half an hour, 45 minutes. No carts crashing, logins not working, absolute nightmares trying to make payments. So whoever was in charge or is now in charge of the Royal Mint, I don't know, coin releases, a massive well done on that, because it was very easy. I don't know if everyone had that same sort of easy experience that I did, but I hope you did as well. And hopefully that means that coins coming out in the future are going to be much easier to order when they come out. Although a 9 o'clock release isn't ideal for me. I'm at work. If you can bring it forwards a couple of hours or go back to doing a midnight launch, that would suit me perfect. But it's each their own on that. So what have we got? We've got the new Paddington coin. I'm so excited to get into this. So let's get it into the box. So it comes with a bit of bump. What is this? Historic Royal Palaces. Start your adventure. That's quite neat. Maybe that's a hint of where Paddington might be in the future. So we got the bunk one. I must admit, I'm not sold on the design, if I'm totally honest. I think this is the nicer of the two Paddingtons. I don't know, I could warm to it. I just think the 2018s were just so impressive in their design. I don't know, actually, I do quite like that. Now I've got it in person. It's quite cute. And I love the packaging. Looking like a little scrapbook. So it's Paddington at the Tower 2019, and the exciting thing is it's going into circulation. Holy Toledo, another coin into circulation. Exciting. Britain's favourite bear visits the Tower of London, celebrated with this brilliant uncirculated 50p coin. It's got the details of it there. Lovely. Well, that was good, but then we had to get the silver proof Paddington at the Tower 2019 silver proof coin, official UK coin. Paddington at the Tower, silver proof coin, blah blah blah. Bit more bump on the back here. It's quite a neat little box. I like the little Paddington stamp, all the stickers and stuff. It looks like a little scrapbook, doesn't it? Which looks like it's echoed the rest of the packaging. So without further ado, let's stop faffing around and start looking at this coin. Oh! Now I do have the 2018 silver proofs on their way. I have no idea what number I'm going to get. Hopefully it's going to be a low one, because I got in there quite early. Wow, just look at him. You know what? I do like that. I do like that. I saw a couple of pictures of it online and I thought, but that does look very cool. Another 2019 silver proof. Wonderful. Do let me know what you think of it though. I'd be fascinated to know. I know new coins are always a bit divisive. Let's see what number we got. Holy moly, not even close to being a low number. 3069. Wowee. So, what have we got? Maximum coin mintage 32,500. Wow. Limited edition presentation packs, 25,000. Holy Toledo, I didn't realise it was going to be that high. Maybe that's why it was so easy to get. A older one didn't sell out instantly. But there we go. Very neat. We've got the little Paddington book it comes with. Paddington at the Tower. I wonder if it make reference to anything else. And actually, I would love to see Paddington at Kew Gardens. I think that'd be a lovely sort of inside joke to coin collecting. Maybe even with him holding a little Kew Gardens in his hand. Very neat. I must admit, these sets, I do think they are quite cool. And I hope that they carry on making more and more new ones. And hopefully we get them for circulation as well. So there we go. That is... Let's get back out of this Perspex. I'm a bit disappointed that this is just plain Perspex on what I would consider sort of coins for sort of the younger people. We've had neat designs on them. I think there's a oh, that's right, it's a hair, a bit of fluff rather than a crack on it. I'd be well disappointed if it had a crack on it. But yeah, imagine Kew Gardens in the background here with Paddington holding a little Kew Gardens there. I think that would be absolutely phenomenal. Maybe that's what you guys should let me know in the comments. Let me know. Firstly, are you going to get the Paddington at the Tower and the Paddington at St Paul's, which is coming out later, I think next month. I think we're expecting it. But let me know where you want to see Paddington. If you can think of another awesome place that you'd like to see him, I'd love to know what you guys are thinking. But yeah, so that's my thoughts of it. I like it a lot more now I've got it in my hand than I did looking at pictures of it. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.